Hey guys, good morning. It's January 6th, Saturday morning. So I think I'm gonna vlog today because we're gonna go run some errands. And yeah, I'll just change my clothes and wake my husband up because he just took a nap. And I'm gonna wake him up because I'm ready because I just put my makeup on. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm dressed now. Finally, I'm just gonna go because my husband, I've been trying to wake his ass up, but damn, this dude is not waking up. He's tired, so I'm just not gonna force him. I'm just gonna go to the mall because I have to return the shoe because the shoe he doesn't like it, plus it doesn't fit the one that I got him from Christmas, so he's just skipping the slides, which is the Puma slides, but I'm not returning mine because I love those. So yeah, plus I have to go to the bank and some stuff. Yeah, so I will just take you guys with me today. Okay guys, so this is my outfit. This bodysuit is from Laura's Boutique, and jeans from Fashion Nova, and then the boots, long boots, and then jacket from Express. So yeah, I'm going now. I know I'm in my ugly ass gym, so I'm gonna go now. See ya. I'm just heating up my car before I go. It's like, I don't know, it's 17 degrees outside. It's really cold. Well, it's sunny, but it's still cold. Oh, well, it's 16. It says sunny here, but it's still cold. So anyway, yeah. Guys, so I'm here already. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna eat first and then I'll return the shoes and then I'm gonna go to the bank and I will see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm here at the mall. I don't know if you can hear me, but the music here is way too loud. So I got sushi and some strawberry and peach. I'm just gonna eat. I'm talking to my friend, best friend. I'm here at the mall, guys. I'm going inside JCPenney. I'm just gonna go to Sephora. So I'm here at Sephora, guys. The Too Faced. This is the new palette that they have. And they have also the bronzer. What is this? This is a mirror. Hey guys, I'm here at the H&M. Ooh, this is nice. I'm trying to find a business casual coat. So this is the size 2. I'm wearing these on an event and I'm gonna pair it with like a trouser or like a slacks and heels, but I like it. I just can't move this. I think I'm size, I don't know, probably size 4, but it fits really good. I like it. And it has a belt also. It's like this, the belt. But the thing is, it's like it doesn't have a, how do you call it, pocket. Oh my god, why would yeah, that's gonna suck. So but I like it though. Go home. Well, no, I have to go to the bank first. And I might stop by Ulta. Where did I park? Hold on. I'm trying to find where my car is. Wait. Oh, I found it. Pwede kayo maghalo-halo. Alright. I'm here at Chipotle. I'm gonna get some food. Jeez. Beef tacos. Hey guys, I'm home already. I didn't went to my bank and to Ulta because I'm just so tired, so I just drove home. So yeah. Hey guys, what's good? Just kidding. I'm gonna get dressed in my jammies, my comfy jammies. I'm really tired, but I wanna watch this movie because it's Will Smith. It's my daddy. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I'm gonna get dressed. It's already 7:40. Well, you can't see, but 7:40 p.m. and my lower abdomen is killing me. I think my shukalumpa is coming. I don't even know I'm talking, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
Daddy and Jacoby dies, or just Jacoby dies, and it is time to make a choice.
You were him, Ward. You were him. Is tomorrow's LA Times gonna say one cop died here or two?
And there it is. He just caught up to it.
Everyone wins. Department gets rid of Jacoby. He dies a hero. Public's happy. This report writes itself.
It's a perfect storm, bro. It's a perfect storm.